Alright guys, so car today we're working on is an Outback 2012, and we have a little problem. Car dies out. They put a new battery on, and it died out a couple miles down the road. So this is what we got. Well, we don't have enough juice to get it started, but my pack is down. So, but I did get it started already, and I already did test it. Straight out of the alternator, we're not getting any voltage. On the battery, it's about 7 plus. So we're gonna be replacing the alternator. The belt is bad on it. So you guys can see it's very cracked. I do not have a belt with me, so we will have to change that another day. But let me get you guys set up and see if I could charge my pack a little bit so I could get it started afterwards. If not, I just have to push it back and jump it with my truck. But regardless, let me get you set up on the tripod and we go at it. Alright, be right back, guys. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is taking the positive out of the battery, even though it's dead. Still don't want no sparking around. Whenever they tying the terminals too hard, they stretch, and then it gets to the point that they're not good. So that's what happens. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get this plastic off. This is, there we go. Plastic and the 2 clips. Here's the alternator. I'm gonna press here to remove the plug. And we have a 12. And ask me why didn't I get my power tools? I don't know. I'll be getting that shortly though. Watch out with the washer. So that's out of the way. We have 2 bolts in front. Now we gotta remove the serpentine bit. So let me go ahead and get my tools. Be right back. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, it's a 16, 15. Oh, so 15, no. 16. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch. Take it all out. So you can leave it as is. So we have 1 bowl on top, right here, and 1 down here. Okay, time to get power tools. Be right back. Alright, so we do have to remove this pulley. So this idle pulley, I don't know if you can see it where it was sitting at. Kind of give you the front view. There we go. So it goes right there. The reason why we're removing it is because it's kind of covering that bolt there. That was a 14. Let's see what we got here. If it's a 12. It is a 12. Now on the back it has a bracket. So you have to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. Get your bolt. Here's the bracket. Just set that right there. Another one here. Here's the bolt. Set this one right here. And then now I'm going to go ahead and get something so I could pry it off. Be right back. We just gotta play with it to get it out of its place. So that's that. There it is. Alternator is out. Let me go ahead and get the new one. Okay, so here's the new one. Always though test them before you take them out of the auto parts store when you buy them. I always do, just because I have installed so many of them, and as soon as I put them on, they're already defective. It just blows my mind. But one thing I just noticed right now. Let's see if I can show you guys. You don't have to take the bolt all the way out when you're trying to remove it, because on the actual it's an open loop, not a complete hole. I'll show you guys. See right here? So it just sits on one position. So if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to slide it in place. Just make sure that you have that. Put it in a position, so that's what locks it up. Already putting that nut backwards. Alright, give me 1 second. That was right. So that's how it goes. That's where you want to put it. Just present it in there. That way it doesn't move. Just slide it back in place. Slide it back in place. Get it there. We get our top bolt. So you can kind of guide it in there. Get it started so everything is lined up. Now we can go ahead and find the top bolt. Make sure that the bracket is in place. Everything's tight. Go on the bottom. Alright, make sure it's tight. Let's get our pulley. sure that you don't strip the thread on those. It is an aluminum base. So always get them started by hand and then okay. So now we got the belt. It's a short belt. Let me find the diagram real quick. Alright guys, so you don't have to look anything up. Figure it out. So that's that. Good to go. I'm gonna do the top bolt. Line it up so you don't crush on that. Still gonna use the old washer, so lock one, and this new one. Typically, the new ones they send you a way skinnier one, but this one is a decent one, so we're gonna go ahead and use that one. Looks like it's a 13. Okay. Put a color back on. Come on. Click, click, click. Alright, so let me come out. Put my tools off so they don't fall out. I'm actually trying to get it started. Alright, let me go ahead and get in my jump box so we can get it started real quick. Alright guys, so don't forget, before we get the plastic back on, to put your constant terminal back on the battery. I put the jumper cables on because my jump box is not having enough charge right now. So we're gonna leave it charge for a second. We're gonna start it up and then we're gonna measure from the alternator, see what it's charging, and let it run for a minute. Alright, we'll be back as soon as I get it started. Alright, so it's charging, it's running now. So let's see what we got. We are getting 1420. We are charging. Straight out of the alternator. There we go. So the alternator is charging. Now I'm going to let it run for a minute. So this battery will charge up before it goes again. Show you guys if there's some more battery light on the dash. Alright guys, so everything is back on. The car has been running for a minute. Took it around the block. There's no more dash light coming on for the battery. Alternator is charging 14.2 something. So job done. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.